So, Gabriela, we will be solving question 15 from WebAssign quiz 16 in this video. Remember how we solved the radical equation? So we square both sides. This time it's a little bit complicated because on the other side we do have a term with x. X is not alone. So when take the squares, square root will lift off and the other side open up is a binomial complete square. Now here, think about it as solving quadratic equations. Okay, so make one side equal to 0, carry all the terms to the other side, and rewrite it as x squared as 7x equals 0. And take it into x parentheses. And then you will have two roots from here. Okay, now they are the candidates. Not necessarily both of them satisfy the equation, so we check, for example, x1 equals 0. Let's see what's going to happen. 3 times 0 plus 4, is it equal to 0 minus 2? So that is square roots of 4. Is it equal to negative 2? No, because we want x is greater than equal to 0 for the domain restriction, so x should be greater than equal to negative 4 over 3. So it doesn't adhere the domain restriction. All right. So that doesn't satisfy. So if we go x2 equals 7, we plug in 7, 3 times 7 plus 4, is it equal to 7 minus 2? That is square root of 25. Yes. So then the solution will be only x2 equals 7 as an answer. All right, don't forget to check your candidates. So this is a candidate. This is a candidate. However, this one has become a solution only. All right, hope it helps.